In this world, if you hit someone with an arrow, only 1% dies. Or if you shoot somebody with a gun, just 1% dies. Or even if you shoot with a machine gun, a few people may die. Like that you may shoot. But when you go in a helicopter and drop bombs from the top, then a mass of people are finished by that. In the same manner, Prabhupada in one of his letters he says, go to the marketplace and drop the canons of the holy name, he says. So he says, the materialistic mindset of the living entity, which has been latent in him for millions of lifetimes, with which the living being wanders from life after life after life, carrying the same script, same mindset. So that living entity becomes purified by the hearing of the chanting of the holy name. So, how someone gets connected to the Lord, one may not be able to immediately understand, but oftentimes the auspicious beginning of one's spiritual life happens when one hears the holy name. Somewhere from somebody went to a temple, somebody was walking in the road, they heard the holy name. So the cleansing of the heart happens by the chanting and hearing of the holy name. So naturally we all know that I should do japa. But even if one does not take to the process of chanting the holy name oneself, but one happens to hear the Ajnat Sukriti get started. Somebody is walking on the road and they heard the holy name. After that one keeps murmuring the holy name. That is why the Vishnudutas, while speaking to Yamadutas, they said, Sanketyam parihasyam va sobham helaname vava vaikunthanam agrahanam ashesha adaharam viduhu. If somebody ridiculously chants the holy name, ridiculing the devotees, or if somebody carelessly chants the holy name, or somebody likes the holy name just for the musical entertainment, and one is clapping the hands or tapping the feet and chanting the holy name, whatever way the holy name will be chanted, it will definitely have an effect because it is Vaikuntha, it's non-different from the Supreme Lord. In one more verse they are saying, Yatagadam viryatamam upayuktam yadrichaya ajanatopyatmagunam kurvan mantra udahritah. If a medicine is taken by a patient, even without knowing its efficacy, sometimes the doctor may prescribe some blue pills, yellow pills, green pills, morning this one, afternoon this one, evening that one. You don't even know the name. Names are very complex many times. But if one accepts the pill given by the doctor regularly, after a week or two, one is completely cured. Similarly, the holy name also acts on the chanter. And even one doesn't know whom is one calling. How amazing it is. And the people in the West did not know who is Krishna, who is Rama, who is Chaitanya. But there is one boy who is called Jimmy. This Jimmy was going in Brooklyn, near the university. So he saw the devotees doing Sankirtan and having a big book table. He heard very, very beautiful melody of music. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. I thought he heard him. So when he heard, it was so thrilling. He crossed the road and came and he started dancing with devotees. That's the first time. The same day he joined the temple. Can you imagine? He went with the devotees. I asked Jimmy, how did you? He said, oh, something so magnetic attracted me, something charmed me. And I looked at the devotees, I could say that these people are coming from a different world. The very first day he trusted the people only for the holy name. Can you imagine? He had not spoken one word to them. And then when he came to the temple, he stayed for a week and then he studied the books. He took prasad, he saw the morning program and his faith only became multiplied more and more. Now he is called Jagat Karta Prabhu. He is initiated now. He is Vaisheshika Prabhu. now is, and he himself is a book distributor and Harinam Talk performer now. He came to Pune also. When I am saying this, you don't know which living entity you are touching by the chanting of the holy name. Who are all looking for it and yearning for it, and then you are reaching the holy name to them. That is why, whether in rain or shine, whether in heat or cold, we have to be out, performing the outdoor Sankirtan. Prabhupada said. Harinam Sankirtan ki Jai. Jaya Govinda, Jaya Gopal, Krishna